Audio Jungle.
If you think you can, you are right. If you think you can't, you are right. Henry Ford says that looks around you. What do you see? Looks at surrounding atmospheres and people around you. Think of your current life conditions, work, health, friends, and people surrounding. What would they look like?
Are you happy with what you see? Now look inside you. How do you feel right now is this moment? Are you satisfied with your life? Are you longing for more?
Do you believe that you can be happy and successful?
What is missing from your life that you need to call your life happy or successful? Why do some people seems to have everything and others people's nothing? Most people have no idea how to get what they get. Some of us just blaming it on fate and changes.
Everything that's happened to you is created by you, either conscious or unconscious.
It is not result of fate or circumstances. So many people that are dreaming of improving their lives, being happier, become wealthier, yet according to them,